Facilitator cards are the tool that I use to plan every session I lead as a facilitator. They can help you be more creative and flexible, and they are guaranteed to increase engagement in any facilitation you lead. In the deck, you're going to find 60 different processes. The blue cards are for those times when you want to surface emotions. Green are for brainstorming. Yellow are for clarifying and getting into the nitty gritty. And red cards are for making decisions and identifying next steps. With facilitator cards, it's easy to plan and make flexible agendas. One of my favorite things about planning with facilitator cards is that I always know my agendas are going to be interactive because each card is a different activity. On the front of the card is a large white space where you can write your notes with a wet erase marker and then easily erase when you're done. On the back of each card is a short write-up of the activity, making it easy to learn and find different ways to facilitate. What's awesome about using facilitator cards is that it's easy to adjust and change your plan on the fly. If you have less time than you expected, you can remove cards and still have everything you need in the right order. Sometimes, instead of having too little time, we find ourselves with room to add. And instead of feeling out of ideas, it's easy to bring in other cards from your deck to add to your plan. Once you start building agendas on cards, you'll never want to go back to your static paper plans. Facilitator cards, though, are more than just a set of activities. They're a gateway to a connected community who love to make things and geek out on all things facilitation. We host a monthly Getting Started session and exclusive card carrier events throughout the year to help you to continue to level up your facilitation practice. Each deck also comes with a virtual facilitation guide to ensure that you know how to adapt your favorite facilitator cards to virtual environments. You can check out the full deck on our website and learn much more at the links below. Thanks for taking time to learn about facilitator cards, and until our paths cross again, happy facilitating.